guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be an unboxing video, and this is the item that I have received from Taskspotting. So if you want to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. So let's start by giving you an overview of what Taskspotting is. Taskspotting is a mobile application. It is available in Android and iOS, and it is an application that lets you connect with brands and earn money at the same time. So in my search for free items, I stumble upon this application, and I think that this application has good marketing strategies for brands, because with this application you get to try the newest products that are being released by brands, and in exchange you have to do certain missions, and once you complete these missions, then you will earn points. So from earning points, that's where the income comes in. So what's happening with Taskspotting is that a certain brand will give out certain missions. For most of the mission actually are social networking missions, so you have to share it in Facebook, you have to spread the word. It's like you're part of their marketing. You're marketing their new product. So what they do is they give out specific kits to those who are selected, and once you are selected for a certain brand, you have to complete the mission that was under their brand, so that you would qualify for the upcoming brands. So for Taskspotting, I have mentioned that there are points. So once you accumulate the points, then you can redeem it through PayPal. So once you accumulated 500 points, then that's the time you'll get $5, and they will send it direct to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's start with our unboxing. Actually, I received this package just now, so I decided to let you in with we opened the package at the same time. So the courier that they're using is Fetcher, and by the way, this is actually my 6th package. I have already received 5 kits. The first one is from Nivea, next is from Always, third is Aquafina, fourth is Heinz Gold, and the last is Nesquik. So I will flash a photo so that you have an idea what the items look like. And it's actually good because most of the products that they are sending are full size, so you would really get to try the new products and see for yourself if you want to try out this brand or not. So far, with all the products that has been sent to me, I have no bad experiences. I really loved all of them. So let's start with the unboxing. So it comes with this packaging, and it has all my details in it. And the courier, they're very polite. I haven't had any bad experience with their courier, Fetcher. So let's open this box. I am so excited. Open the box. Actually, it's a packet, and you see that there is a bag. Actually, that's the only thing inside. So there's a bag. It's like a PR kit. You feel like you really are a video blogger when you're receiving these kinds of PR kits. So it comes with this bag, and when you open it, the first item on this is a scarf, because the campaign is actually for veiled women. So they are so kind to give us a scarf. So let's wear the scarf. So it's nice and it's my favorite color too. So that's that. And the item that is newly launched is from Pantene. This campaign is actually from Pantene. So it's sealed in a bubble wrap. We're gonna have to open it. I really am enjoying receiving these kits from Taskspotting. It's like you're opening presents, and it's free. You don't have to pay for anything, any tax or any shipment, because I think it's not coming from overseas. It's just local. So it's local packages. There's no VAT or any tax being paid for. It's already been paid for, the Taskspotting. So all you have to do is just present your ID and you will receive your package. So the item is this one. It's one of their new items. Pantene New Revitalizes Covered Hair. So this is actually targeted for veiled women. So once I have finished this video, I will check what are the missions that are that I have to complete with this package. So there are 2 items in this box. Ooh, it's full-size items and it smells so good. So the first item is this Pantene oil replacement cream. So it says here that it protects hair under the veil. So this is step 1 according to the instructions. And then the next item is this one. So it's Hair Breeze Spray. Both of these are 150 ml. And it says here that it instantly revitalizes hair upon unveiling. So, from what I understood, you use this first before putting your veil on, and then after putting the veil, so you spray this on. So, I will make another video to review these items, and it's really a lovely gift. And it's really a good marketing strategy for brands, because everyone has Facebook, and most of the missions, they want to share it through Facebook under a specific hashtag, so that the other, let's say for example me, I have friends and my friends could see the items that I'm sharing. So it's like they're reaching out to their target market by just giving the samples out. So I think that's my video for today. So I will share with you other boxes that I have received from Taskspotting, because I am sure that there will be upcoming boxes. But for now, I will be sharing my review with these Pantene items. So thank you for watching this video. Please like if you like this video. Comment down below if you have received Taskspotting boxes too, and if you have questions on how to get these boxes. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!